Hey everybody, this is Okie Twister 66. I'm back in the garage today. I wanted to do a quick follow-up video on what happened with the repair to the oil that had sprayed all over the side of my Fat Boy. So stick around and I'll tell you what happened. Thanks for sticking around. So like I said, we're just going to do a quick follow-up video on this oil that had splattered all over the side of my Fat Boy. I took the bike into the shop. It still had about 6 weeks left on the 3-year extended service plan that I had purchased when I bought the bike back just short of 3 years ago. But anyway, the oil leak, it did turn out to be blown fork seal. So we had that repaired and it was all fixed under warranty. There was no charge for that particular repair. So I was very pleased with that. I got my money's worth. I was hoping that they would have cleaned the bike a little bit more, but so I got the bike home and I started wiping it down, cleaning it up. I noticed they'd wiped it down a little bit, but then when I got down to this oil filter, I noticed that, man, there was a ton of oil still left. So I took the screws off and opened it up, and man, there was so much oil in there. It was just soaked into the throttle body. It was just really bad. I just really hope that they had checked that, especially when I asked when I dropped it off to please check the air filter, because it looked like it had been covered in oil. But they didn't. So what did I do? I went on Amazon and I bought a brand new replacement air filter, and it's right here. So we're going to put this thing in. So here it is, direct replacement. It'll probably take 2, maybe 3 minutes to install that. So anyway, 39 bucks. So lesson learned on this this ordeal was, once again, well, it's a lesson I already knew. Check everything when you have somebody else work on your bike. You just never know when somebody might have missed something. So anyway, hey, I hope you like this video. If so, hit that subscribe button. Hit me with some comments. Tell me if you've ever had anything like this happen to you. So this is Okie Twister 66 signing off. Have fun, ride safe, 2 wheels down.